नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर, सोसाइटी का क्लास डिवाइड, जायदाद का वारिस कॉन्सेप्ट पर सवाल, इतनी सारी थीम्स, अगर इनमें से एक को भी एक्सप्लोर किया होता ना थोड़ी सी भी शिद्दत से तो चलता था। इतनी लो रखी हुई है मैंने बार। शहजादा इज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू मेक अ मूवी फॉर द सेक ऑफ मेकिंग वन। Hey all, my name is Charada. Welcome back to my channel where I've got reviews and interviews, सब कुछ। आज बात कर रहे हैं रोहित धवन की शहजादा की, starring कार्तिक आर्यन, परेश रावल, a bunch of others. Kriti Sanon is also in it. Paresh Rawal is a stone-cold sociopath who first wants to switch his newborn son with the stillborn heir of the rich family he works for as an act of kindness कि इनको हमारा जिंदा बच्चा दे दो, मेरी वाइफ से पूछने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, हम दूसरा बच्चा कर लेंगे। After switching, upon finding out that the stillborn is actually alive, he refuses to switch them back. All kindness washed away in that rainy night कि नहीं, मेरा बेटा राज करेगा, इनका बेटा गरीब बनेगा। Make it make sense. गरीब बेटा grows up to be 25-year-old Karthik, who despite growing up hating his father has natural street smarts, even though he does say to a गली का गुंडा कि सड़क चलते हुए तुमने मेरी बहन को हॉट कहा तो मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा, it just made me think कि अच्छा है दहेज कम देना पड़ेगा। Cringe. A sister who by the way is entirely forgotten through the rest of the film, fully गायब। Rich kid turns out to be a total dumbass, which could be a coincidence or could be the original Telugu writer saying blood will out. Who knows? इतना दिमाग फिल्म बनाते हुए नहीं लगा, लिखते हुए नहीं लगा, आप एनालिसिस में क्यों लगा रहे हो? Kriti Sanon plays the part Pooja Hegde played in the original, which, as heartbreaking as it is for me to point out, says everything you need to know about the importance of this character in this film. है तो वो hot shot law firm में senior lawyer, but wears the shortest dresses to her workplace because male gaze, rides bicycles with flower baskets, and falls for bun too because he looks like Kartik Aaryan, I suppose.
25 साल से उन्हें लग रहा है कि उनका बेटा है।
ये कौन है?
उसकी फियांसे।
तो तुम्हें किस क्यों कर रही है?
We love.
हाँ।
Shahzada's story is asinine. The characters and their motivations are straight out of TikTok. The least of its crimes is jumping back and forth between Mumbai and Delhi lanes used as locations to tell us that all of this is happening in Delhi. 1 second at St. Xavier's College of South Bombay, you're being told this is a hospital. Next, you're in a mohalla near Jama Masjid. Cut back to Bandarkulla complex in front of the iconic ONGC building. WeWork dikh raha hai background mein, only to instantly head back to Gurgaon's cyber city. And if this ping pong doesn't give you whiplash, random appearances of comedians for one scene each might. Rajpal Yadav, Ali Asgar, Vipul Goyal, Ashwin Mushran. I wonder if this genre, this style of storytelling still works, जहाँ लेना देना किसी का किसी से है नहीं, बस क्योंकि ऑडियंस को चाहिए 3-4 चुटकुले, शक्लें बनाते हुए कुछ vaguely familiar comedy actors. अब ले आओ ना, सर्कस में भी यही था. I mean, who is asking for this? I just want to talk. Speaking of dated, one subplot is about toys being sold in the market with hidden things inside them, somehow dangerous for kids. I mean, what in the Mr. India? Also, एक scene में बंटू रिच बॉय राज से पूछता है कि शादी के बाद कहाँ सेटल होना है? And rich boy Raj says, वुहान के अलावा कहीं भी, which as tasteless a joke as it may be, probably landed somewhat in the original release because that was in 2020. The coveted position the heir will get is Jindal Group का CEO. Means अगर नए पैकेट में पुरानी चीजें आपको बेचनी है तो have it be पठान and not गोविंदा नाम मेरा. Yeah?
मॉडल का नाम क्या है? RR. लगता है राजा मौली की गाड़ी है।
Karthik Aaryan looks incredible. और performance में sincerity की कमी है नहीं. There are moments here too. You see an actor behind the goofy grins and the exaggerated slow motion action sequences. A person probably wondering कि ये जो मरती हुई नर्स की बॉडी randomly hospital के हर कॉरिडोर में टकरा जाती है हमसे. It is too much of a coincidence to actually be in an honest Hindi movie. तो means मैं कह नहीं सकती कि किसको blame किया जाए when the actor ऐसी फिल्म में है where his father starts singing Korbo Lorbo Jeetbo Re upon realizing कि सामने वाली औरत बंगाली है. You signed this film having watched the original, I assume. This was tried and tested material. This is now your cross to carry. I can only hope the upcoming projects which have been announced with Kabir Khan, Sameer Vidwans do him better justice. Logic or rationale? Rationale. Logic और rationale इस फिल्म के strong suits नहीं है. For instance, when a billionaire gets stabbed in his office, two absolute strangers take him to the hospital. कोई security नहीं, कोई assistant नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Which, if you're okay with, theaters में लगी है, जाके देखो.
Valmiki, I'm owner of this building, this garden, and you. Yeah. निकल.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Shahzada is 145 minutes long, जो इंटरवल पकड़ के 3 घंटे है. अपना स्केड्यूल देखो, फिर पिक्चर देखो, इस चैनल पर देखो रिव्यूज. We've also spoken about the Night Manager Hindi version this week that's streaming on Hotstar. My name is Acharita. Thank you for stopping by.